What's going on, guys? Welcome back to CNR Reviews. E-Rock and Coltrane here, and today we're gonna be going over a pistol case that we got in a recent
battle box.
Yes, it's made by Plano. I think that's how you say it. Made in the USA. It's an American company. In fact, it's etched. Well, not etched, but in the mold plastic here, right down the front, which is really cool. So I went to the range the other day. And
went ahead and, well, what I had in it the other day for the range was my pistol and 3 loaded magazines. And that was all that was in there. But this thing is massive. Like, you probably fit up to like 4 pistols in here.
Yeah, you probably could, honestly.
Yeah, if you did them like opposite. Yeah.
Opposite.
And then you could put a mag in between every single one of them if you wanted.
Yeah.
Like, it's 18 inches, which is pretty big for some pistols.
Yeah.
Fit a little SMG in there if you want.
SMG case. You probably could.
But yeah, right now I just had some stuff in here that we're gonna
we can show you what on. But yeah, the way this closes up, it seals really tight.
Yeah.
Snaps really good.
Has a little lip right here on the top. So like when you close it, and if you want to lock it, you have 2 locking points here on the handle, so you can put locks on it.
You can definitely, there's no rubber seal in it, so it's probably not, waterproof, like submerge it in water or something, but you could definitely, it'll keep it dry. It's water resistant for sure. Rain, rainage.
Yeah, it's definitely some good plastic.
Yeah.
And then the foam in here is really nice. It's just that, what do you call that foam?
Foam. When you close this up, so he had, his pistol, which, this is Smith & Wesson, 9mm, full size, okay, which is, pretty heavy on its own. And then, now this one's empty right now, but he had 2 full mags in here the other day, and when you close this up, you can see it, it's going to hold that stuff tight.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. When he had this in there the other day, you carry it around, nothing.
Dumb move.
Nothing moves in there.
No.
Nothing.
And I actually shook it when I put everything in there. I was like, ah!
So it's definitely a well-made case. Plus, another thing to note, these cases, the plastic that they're made out of, a lot of times you'll have an issue with your hinges right here. But if you see, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 points of plastic right here. That's a lot more than a lot of cases have for these hinge points.
Yep.
Right? Because that gets a lot of stress every time you close it and force it down like that. Those stress a lot, and cheaper ones will definitely crack over time. This one's going to hold up.
Definitely.
It seems like it's well made that way. And it also has these 4 strapping points here for tie down during travel. They're really secure, really thick, so this wouldn't break if you strap it down. It's also got these the feet on the bottom here, which are really nice. They're big enough to just let it sit. It ain't gonna, it doesn't tip real easy. So
it's nice for space.
Yeah, definitely. Well, this is nice.
We didn't pay for quality.
We didn't even have to. He didn't even have to buy this one. He got it in the battle box.
Yeah,
which is cool.
Completely random.
Yeah,
which is awesome because I didn't even know battle box did like gun stuff like this.
Yeah,
I thought they did all like camping.
Yeah, camping, outdoor stuff like that. Yeah, very cool though.
Awesome.
Well, anyway, if you guys have any questions or comments or anything we missed on going over this case, let us know in the comments, and we appreciate you watching.
Appreciate you.